kang iniwan na tanong, are you contributor to the problem or are you a part of the solution? So mas maganda po, let's always be a part of the solution. So yung paggamit ng biodiesel is part of recycling na very useful, hindi lang para sa business, pati sa ating environment. So meron pa ako isa pang ginawa, i-share ko ulit. Ano ba yung biodiesel?
What is biodiesel? Biodiesel is an ester chemically extracted or reacted from oils coming from plants, microbes, and animals. This is more potent green alternative or admix to diesel fuel. Potent because it has higher cetane rating. In fact, the Guinness Land Speed record was broken using biodiesel as fuel. Green because it's sustainable and environmental friendly. It also gives your engine greater performance and built-in maintenance. The difference between these two fuels are the two oxygen in biodiesel molecule, which give it more than twice its cetane rating or combustibility. It is clean, environmental friendly, burns completely, and emits less pollutant when used in unmodified diesel engine.
Biodiesel is a methyl ester. Ito po yung molecule na equivalent sa carbon content ng diesel molecular structure, pero meron siyang additional na dalawang oxygen doon sa dulo.